Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make this type of amazing tutorial. So let's start it. First of all, I am going to hide it because it is our final result. This is our background picture. We will going to import our book. This is our book. It is just like floating on the ground. So we will going to add some shadows below the book. For shadow, make new layer, take a brush, black color selected, convert the brush into the flat brush and flow up to 10%. And paint below the book, side of the book and this side of the book. Okay. And we will going to decrease the brightness of the book. So for that we will go to fill, levels, and move the slider left side to decrease the brightness of the book, something like this. Okay, and we will give some more darkness at the bottom and the side of the book. For that, click Ctrl Shift and N on the keyboard, blending mode to soft light, check on the box and press OK. And black color selected, paint wherever you want the black or more darker. This is how you can match the color or dark the background, dark the object. Okay. This same process will repeat for others book also. So let's do that. I have already done that. So I will not do one by one because it will take more time and you will get bored. So I have shown you one. By the same process you can do with other book also. All books done. Then we will going to import our model picture, which is a girl, or you can say a lady. So this is our girl photo and she is also like floating. With the same process by the same process we have to give shadow below the girl. So I have done it below the girl and back of the girl, so that our girls not look like floating, looks like she is sitting on the ground. Shadow done, and we will draw some hair. So for hair, make new layer, hairbrush selected, decrease the size of the hairbrush. From pressing Alt, select the color from her hair and draw it. Flow about 50%. Something like this. You got the rough idea, and you have to give time to draw brush perfectly. Okay, this is small here. And we will going to do color balance. For color balance, go to fill, color balance, and match the color of the girl with background by this by giving some time to the colors. Okay, and from that soft light method we have to dark the legs part, back part. Once more I have going to do. So Control Shift and N on the keyboard, blending mode to soft light. Okay, and soft brush selected, flow up to 10%, increase the size of the brush, and wherever we are going to paint, it will automatically dark that area. So like this. Okay, delete this layer. I have already done it. From levels, dark the girl. One more book. Okay, done. Then we make our magic part. For the magic part, make a new group and blending mode to screen. Okay, make new layer, black color selected, color the background with black, make another new layer, then go to fill, gradient map, okay, left side black and right side white. Our magic going to be in blue color, so we will select the blue color. Light blue, and light blue. Press OK, and with white color selected, wherever we will paint, it will automatically create the magic part. So flow, we will decrease the flow up to 10%, and we will draw the magic. You can give whatever design you want. I have given the method by which you can do that. So I am going to hide this because this is our original, and I have glowed the bulbs with linear dodge method. So I will tell you how I have done that. So Control Shift and N on the keyboard, blending mode to linear dodge. Okay, blue color yellow color selected, flow up to 50%, and increase the brush size and decrease the flow up to 20%. 20% and paint. It will give the glow to our screen or background or light. Okay, by this you have to glow all the bulbs. So I have done that. This blue light is going to reflect on the furniture and book, so we will create a reflection part. For reflection part, we will click Control Shift and N on the keyboard, blending mode to linear dodge, check on the box and press OK. From blue color selected, paint wherever you want the reflection. It will be too messy, so apply blend if. For blend if, double click on the layer, the Alt key and slide the right slider to the right side to blend the color perfectly. I will delete it because I have already done that. So this is our reflection part. And lastly I have to import one bird picture. The bird will look like this. So for make the bird looking like this, we will import our bird. This is our bird. This is our bird photo. We will select it by quick selection tool. Decrease unwanted part. Deselect the unwanted part. Press Ctrl J on the keyboard to duplicate the bird photo. Okay. Go to filter, refilled, and copy this setting to look your bird like this. I will deselect it. I will delete it because I have already done that. So this is our bird photo. To make it blue, we will going to fill, solid color, blue color selected. Press OK. Press OK, clip it inside, and blending mode to color. Okay. This is how you can convert the bird into blue color. And give some glow by linear dose method, or you can give glow by solid color also. So go to solid color, select blue color. Okay, invert the mask, Ctrl I, and from white color selected, you can wherever you paint, it will glow automatically. So by that you can do, or you have to change the blending mode to linear dose to glow the object perfectly. Okay, it's done. And after you have done, press Ctrl Alt Shift and E on the keyboard to make the copy of the picture, and go to filter, camera raw filter, and apply the setting to look our picture more realistic. I have already applied that. Our final result is this. I hope this video helps you. If it has helped, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.